Alright guys, so just a quick little update here regarding the Tesla factory and what is happening in Canada. It seems like the Minister of Innovations of Canada has flown down to California at the Fremont factory, met up with Elon Musk and talked about new things happening in Canada. Now specifically where, we don't know, but it has been confirmed finally. But there's been a lot of rumors lately about him flying down there specifically for the Detroit Auto Show, where he's gonna meet up with Ford, GM, and Tesla about new things happening up here. But it seems like all of that was crushed, and the main purpose of it was just to fly down to Tesla and meet Elon, which is the best news ever, because that means that there's gonna be confirmation of some new products happening up here specifically. Now when I talk about new products, I'm talking about like a gigantic factory. I think it's gonna be the Giga factory in Canada. Maybe the name's gonna be Giga Ontario, maybe it's gonna be named Giga Montreal, but maybe it's just simply gonna be named Giga Canada. Now the Minister of Innovations, I'm just not gonna call him by his name because it's some kind of French name and I have hard times pronouncing it, but that guy, he posted on Twitter to confirm that he flew down to Tesla and met up with Elon, and they're discussing on how they can work together more efficiently and whatnot. And that means that we are expecting to see some kind of big change happening up here, and it might even be more than a gigafactory, who knows, but something is definitely happening. Now the biggest hint we have to this also is that the recent mobile app update, if you guys haven't already checked out my previous video, there is a Tesla app update 4.13.0. if you guys haven't updated to that already. There is references and there is a new section where it specifically mentions about using the Canadian nickel. If in the South somehow you guys get your hands on a Canadian nickel, you can use that to measure your tire depth and see if you guys need to replace it or not. I'll link that video in the description below if you guys want to know more about that. But as for this video here, just a quick little update regarding what's happening. And as more comes up, I'll keep you guys updated as well. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe, the bell notification. This is John. This is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out.